All right, everybody, we are here at United Methodist Church, and this is the other elevator. They call this one elevator one, which is kind of interesting considering the other elevator was installed in the 80s. Here's the basement. We're at the basement. There's a lot of people on the first floor, so we're not gonna draw attention to ourselves. And we have a KONE elevator. There it goes. KSS 570 fixtures. Here it comes. If you look up there, you can actually see the EcoSpace motor. I'll take some still pictures off video so that way we don't lose focus. But for now, let's go to 3. Three. Going down, let's see if we can see anything else. Nope, can't really see anything. It's pretty dark up here. All right, we'll go back down to LL. Up. Door close works after a certain period of time. Let's go on up. Stop it on 2. Going up?
Going down.
Oh, okay, it's going up.
Oh, okay. I'll go for a ride.
That's okay. I'm going back down too. It's just going up.
Oh.
Which one are you going to?
1.
That thing was flashing earlier. Okay, now we'll get our cab view. Very nice. It's a nice elevator. It almost seems like it could pass for a mod, but I'm not sure. Don't think it is though. All right, that'll be it.